The Executive Director of the National Identification and Registration Authority, NIRA in Uganda, Rosemary Kisembo, has presided over the oath-taking of 3 couples who legally wedded on this Valentine's Day.
And by the subsequent attestation of that taking, by signing your names to the effect, you become legally married to each other. Although no other rite or civil or religious nature shall take place, and that this marriage cannot be dissolved during your lifetime except by a valid judgment of divorce, and if either of you, before the death of the other, shall contract another marriage.
Rosemary Kisembo is the Registrar General of Marriages in NIRA. This marks NIRA's first official civil marriage officiation since Parliament passed the Marriage Bill on October 3, 2024. Previously, civil marriages were handled by the Uganda Registration Services Bureau.
Marriages as the institution that has newly been established in law to celebrate or to implement the Marriage Act. Today we have celebrated a total of 12 weddings, 3 here at Kololo and 9 at the URSB office, where we have a marriage office as well. I want to take this opportunity to ask you, is your marriage registered? Is your marriage known in law?
The National Identification and Registration Authority aims to create awareness that all marriages, whether religious, customary, or civil, must be registered to ensure legality and prevent domestic disputes.
The Registrar of Marriages for Kampala District is the ED, appointed by law to be the Registrar of Marriages for Kampala. So when you go to the districts, then you go to the COW, the Chief Administrative Officer. You fill out this form. This form, after filling it, it's accompanied by other things that speak about you. The affidavits I talked about that speak about your status and also your ID, so we can identify you. They are supposed to run for 21 days on a notice board in a conspicuous place, such that whoever has an issue can raise it.
Couples have been advised to register their marriages with the National Identification and Registration Authority to safeguard their legal rights and avoid complications. They were also reminded to uphold their vows until death or legal divorce to prevent the crime of bigamy.
The most important aspect is forgotten: the registration of the marriage. The cost of registration is 35,000 shillings. I want to take this opportunity on this day of love to ask your spouse, to ask your church or the place of worship or the mosque or wherever you were married, is our marriage registered? The risk of an unregistered marriage is that a person, if not upright, may participate or engage in another marriage.
The couples have been warned against cohabiting without legal marriage registration, as this could lead to imprisonment or loss of property in case of separation.
Wow, I feel loved, not only by the people but also by the universe, because this is a loving day and everyone is celebrating love, you know. So I feel blessed to be wedded on a Valentine's Day.
Not expensive. So it's within our budget.
Charity Nahabwe, UBC News.